Absolutely, but since Vietnam has a rainy climate, they aren't as needed as in other places. Still, people like to wear them as a fashion statement or as an accessory to their outfit. Of course, especially when I feel that I look tired. Moreover, I like that I can tie a whole outfit together. Moreover, when I drive on sunny days, sunglasses are a must. Not too often, actually, because of the climate here. I would say I have to wear them a couple of times a month on a rare occasion that the sun comes out. As I mentioned before, I feel I need them most when I drive on sunny days or when I go on a holiday to the beach. I tend not to splurge on sunglasses since I have the tendency to lose or break them. So I usually just buy knock-off brands from street vendors. I've bought and lost several pairs of knock-off gray bands which were just fine for me. I feel that the shape of them suits my rare face shape.